Hare Krishna students. So today we are going to finish our drawing that we have already draw in last class, that figure of a snowman with a toupee or with a cap or a muffler. So now today we are going to practice the selection part, cut, copy and paste part for the image. So first we need to draw another image. So on that image we can apply the selection portion and cut, copy and paste portion. So at first we need to draw a face of a snowman, only the face with the cap and eyes and mouth. So in that previous class we have already drawn this image, so you can also try on your own to practice this kind of images. So using this kind of shape tool, here is the shape tool available in the home tab. Go to home tab, there are so many shapes available. Click on that line tool, oval tool or square or triangle. All the shapes tools are available in home tab, so you can use any one of them and just draw the face and the body of the snowman with this shape tool. Now we are going to add another picture. So at first we need to save this picture and then we will open a new. Yes, we need to save this picture and then we will continue with a new blank page and we will draw the image. Okay, so this is our new blank page. In this page we will draw the image of the face of the snowman. So we need to select the oval tool from the shape tool in home tab. Go to home tab, there are so many shapes available. Click on the oval tool, select the oval tool and draw the face. Okay, so this is the face. Then we are going to use the line tool, or you can also use the triangle to draw the cap of the snowman. I am going to use the line tool to draw the cap. Okay, so this is our cap. In this cap we have to fill with red color with fill tool. In the tool group from home tab, go to home tab, there are 6 tools available: pencil tool, fill with color, text, eraser, color picker and magnifier. So we have to choose the fill with color tool and then we have to fill the color with red color for the cap. So now we have to add the eyes of the snowman. Go to shape tool again, choose the oval tool and then draw the eyes. Okay, so this is the first one and this is the second one. Go to home tab, click shape tools, select the oval tool. This is the first eye and this is the second eye. Now we have to add another small oval in between the eyes. Okay, so this is our eye, and then we have to add the mouth. Click on the curve line from shape tool and draw the curve line for the mouth. Draw the curve line. So this is our face of the snowman. Then we have to fill the cap with red color. So choose the fill with color tool from the tools group in the home tab, and then go to colors palette and choose the red color and fill the cap with red color. Okay, so this is the cap with red color. Then we have to add the shapes. You can add any color. I am taking star like shape and just choose the green color and choose the star and choose the color. I am taking green color and then put the color of the shape in the cap and draw the stars. Okay, so this is our image. Now we have to practice the selection of a drawing. So how can we select a drawing and how can we use cut copy paste option, and how many types of selection are available in our MS Paint? So there are two types of selection tools are available in MS Paint, that is rectangular selection and freeform selection. First one is rectangular selection. So you have to go to home tab, then click on the image group. From the image group, click on the select option. From that select option, there is a down arrow. Click on the drop down arrow. It will show you the available selection shapes. The first one is rectangular selection and the second one is freeform selection. So if you want to select your image with a rectangular box, this is the rectangular selection, you have to use that. And next one is the freeform selection. You can use that freeform selection and you can use your mouse pointer to select your image by the line that you can draw on your own with the mouse. So this is the freeform selection. Next we have another option, selection options, that is select all and invert selection and delete and transparent selection. So now we are going to use only these two, so rectangular selection and freeform selection. Okay, so rectangular selection, what is that? This tool is used to select the rectangular shaped area of a drawing. Rectangular shaped area of a drawing. Okay, so first you need to go to home tab. First, step 1, click home tab. Step 2, click the drop down arrow under the select button. In the image group, a sub menu appears. This is our sub menu. On that sub menu, you can get the list. That step 3, select rectangular selection from that list. And then step 4, click and drag the mouse over the area of a drawing. Next, step 5, release the mouse button. A box with dotted line appears. It means the area is selected. So now we are going to use rectangular selection. Move your mouse pointer to that rectangular selection. Choose that one option, rectangular selection, and then move your mouse pointer on your picture and click your mouse pointer and drag your mouse pointer in which portion you want to select the image. Okay, so I am going to select the image, the upper portion of the cap. Okay, so now you can see the image is selected with a rectangular square, dotted square, that is rectangular selection. The upper portion of the image is selected now. Okay, so it means a dotted box will appear, and the dotted box, on that dotted box, what are the images are there, that images are selected. It means the area is selected. Next, free from selection. Okay, so the next point is free from selection. Click the select button from the image group again from the home tab. This is our select button. There is a drop down arrow. Click on that drop down arrow. It will show you the another option, free from selection. Okay, so the second option is free from selection. Click on that free from selection, and then you can use your mouse pointer. If you move your mouse pointer, click the mouse and drag your mouse, it will select your image. So it is very easy to select an irregular shaped area of a drawing with the help of this free from selection tool. Step 1, click home tab. Step 2, click on the down arrow under the selection button, and the image group, in the image group, it will provide you a sub menu. This sub menu appears here. From that sub menu, you can select the free from selection. Step 3, select free from selection from the list. Then step 4, click and drag the mouse over the area of a drawing. And then step 5, release the mouse button. A box with dotted line appears. It means the area is selected. Okay, so now I am going to use free from selection. My mouse pointer, move your mouse pointer on your picture and select your mouse pointer. Click your mouse and drag your mouse. Okay, so that means you can see that the irregular shaped area of the drawing is selected here. If you just move your mouse, or if you just release your mouse button, it will provide you a dotted square box. That means this portion of the image will be selected. Okay, now you can see this portion of the image is selected now with a square dotted square. So release the mouse button. A box with dotted line appears. This is the box with dotted line here, and it means this area of the image is selected. Okay, so this is our free from selection. Next we have select all option. Okay, so go back to that select button, click on that select button. It will show you the list appear here, this sub menu. From that sub menu you can select the select all option. Okay, select all, that means whole the picture will be selected. This command is used to select the entire drawing. Okay, so in this page we have only this snowman face. Okay, so This is our entire drawing. If you just click on that select all button, it will select the entire drawing. Okay, so just click on that select all, and now if you just click your mouse and move your mouse, you can see that whole the image is selected and it is moving on. You can move your place, you can move your picture from up to down anywhere in the page. Okay, so when you just click on that select all the entire image is selected. Now you can move your image, entire drawing. Okay, so this is our select all option. Next we have delete option. Okay, so now the another option is delete option. From that sub menu here, click on that select button from the image group. In home tab, just go to home tab. In the image group, you have the select button. Click on that drop down arrow. It will show you the sub menu appears. From that sub menu, you need to select the delete option. Okay, so at first you need to select your portion of the image, that which portion you want to delete. Then you just click on that delete option and it will remove the selected portion of your image. Okay, so it is used erase the selected part of the drawing. So you have to follow the steps now. Step 1, select the portion of a drawing that you want to delete with the help of suitable selection tool. Okay, so now we need to first select the suitable portion of our drawing, that I am going to use this portion. Okay, now this portion is selected. Now if just release your mouse, it will show you the dotted square box. That means this portion of the image is selected now. Now if you want to delete that portion, just click on that select button, click on the drop down arrow. From that drop down arrow, select the delete option from the list. This is the delete option. If you just click on that delete option, it will remove the part of the selected part of the image. Okay, so just click on that. Now you can see the selected part, the first eye, the left eye is deleted here. Okay, so if you just want back that portion, just press the Ctrl Z from your keyboard, it will be back. And now you can use the cut, copy and paste option for your image. So using cut, copy and paste option, cut, copy, paste options are very useful, that if you want to move your mouse, if you want to cut any portion, and if you want to copy that one with another image, you can easily do that. So this is your cut, copy, paste option. It will show you in the clipboard group from home tab. So just go to home tab, click on that home tab, it will show you the clipboard group. From that clipboard group, you will find the three options: cut, copy and paste. These three options are available here in clipboard group. Cut, copy and paste are very useful commands in MS Paint. They are used after selecting the image. Okay, so at first you need to select the image. So go to select tab, select button, click on the selection. I am going to use rectangular selection. So the first upper portion of our image, that is cap of the image, is selected here. So now if you want to cut the portion of your image, go to cut option. Cut command removes the selected portion of a drawing. Steps to cut a portion of the drawing is: go to clipboard, select the portion of the drawing that you want to cut. We have already selected that portion. Then click on home tab, go to home tab, click the cut from the clipboard group, click the cut option from the clipboard group. This is the cut option. You can also press Ctrl X from your keyboard. So cut means Ctrl X. You can also use Ctrl plus X from your keyboard. So just click on that cut option, it will be deleted, it will be cut. Just click on that cut option from the clipboard group. Selected portion of the drawing is cut now. Now it can be inserted anywhere. So if you just want to insert it in another place, you can do that. So you can also do that. Paste, going to paste option, click on that paste option, move your mouse pointer here and then go to paste option. Okay, so now you can see that the cutted portion or the selected portion that you have cut from your image is now pasted here. So you can easily insert anywhere by cutting the image. Okay, now copy. Okay, the cut portion does not get deleted, it is stored in the clipboard temporarily. When you want to insert it in any other place, you can just click the paste option from the clipboard group, it will be inserted your cutted image. Next we have copy. Okay, so copy command is similar to cut command, however it does not remove the selected portion. Okay, so it is also not remove your selected portion, it is just copy your image, the selected portion of your image, and then you can paste it, insert it in other place. Okay, so steps to copy the selected portion of a drawing. At first you need to select the portion. Okay, so go to select tab, select button from the home tab, click on that rectangular selection. I am going to use the rectangular selection to select the upper portion of our image. The cap of the image is selected. Now we are going to use copy option. Okay, so select the portion of the drawing that you want to copy. Click on home tab, go to home tab. From that clipboard group you have the option copy option. Just click on that copy from clipboard group and selected portion of the drawing is copied. Now it can also be inserted in anywhere. If you just want to insert it, go to paste option and click on that paste option. It will copy the portion of the image and it will insert that portion in anywhere where you want, where your cursor is blinking. Okay, next we have paste option, right? So paste command is used to insert the portion of a drawing that was cut or copied. Okay, so we have already discussed that if you just cut your portion of the image or if you just want to copy the portion of your image, click on that cut or copy from your image and then click on the paste option. This is the paste option. It will insert the cutted or copied portion of your image. It can be inserted in the same drawing or any other drawing also. Okay, paste option is very useful. You can easily cut and copy your portion of the image. On that same image you can also paste that, or any other image you can also paste that. So paste option is very useful. You can easily copy this image from this page and then you can go to another page in any other drawing. You can also paste that same drawing using paste option. Steps to paste the drawing that you have to cut or copy. That click on home tab, click paste from the clipboard group. The drawing that was cut or copied appears on the drawing area. Now you can place it anywhere you want to, dragging it with the help of mouse. So now in this portion we have pasted the copied image. You can also drag click your mouse pointer, drag your mouse pointer, and you can also change the place where you want to paste the image. Just click your mouse pointer, move your mouse pointer. You can remove the copied image anywhere where you want to paste the image. Okay, so this is your cut, copy and paste options in MS Paint. It is very useful commands in MS Paint: cut, copy and paste. Okay, next we have paste a picture into Paint. We can also paste an existing picture or drawing into Paint. Steps to paste the existing drawing. That means you need to first select the portion of your image, then copy the image, and then you can paste the same image in your Paint. Click down arrow button on under the paste option in the clipboard group. Click paste from option from the list. Paste from dialog box will appear. Select the file from the desired folder and click open button. Picture or drawing gets inserted into the MS Paint. Now you can move to the desired place. Okay, so you can also paste your image from your folder, from your PC where you have inserted your image. Okay, so there is two options: paste option and paste from option. So just click on that paste from option. It will show you the all data downloaded or installed in your PC, installed in your desktop. So I have 3 images in my picture folder. Now I am going to use that one. So go to picture folder and choose your image that you have already downloaded. I have already downloaded this picture, so just click on that and click on open button. It will insert the image. Okay, so this is the picture that we have downloaded in my PC, and I have used that image by using paste from option. Paste a picture into Paint. So if you download any picture, any image from internet, from your file, so you can easily insert that picture in MS Paint. Okay, now we have to undo and redo, and the other is zoom in and zoom out. So now undo and repeat, undo and redo. Undo means that whatever you have done, the image, if you want to just remove that one, if you want to just go back, you can also undo that image by just clicking Ctrl Z from your keyboard, or you can also use the mouse pointer in the title bar. Here undo command is used to cancel the last action. Okay, so in title bar where you have the file name, beside that we have two arrow. The left side arrow is called undo, that means Ctrl Z, and the right side arrow is called redo, that means Ctrl Y. You can also click on that undo arrow or redo arrow, or you can also just press Ctrl Z or Ctrl Y from your keyboard to make redo your, undo your action and redo your action. Okay, so I am going to just use the left arrow, that means undo, that means Ctrl Z. Okay, or if you want to just go back, want it back, so just redo your action, that means Ctrl Y. Okay, so you can also press Ctrl Y from your keyboard. Okay, it will be back, or you can just press that or you can just select your mouse pointer to that right arrow and just click on that right arrow, that is redo option. That means your image will be back. Okay, next one is zoom in and zoom out. We can use the zoom in and zoom out option to get a larger or smaller view of an image. Larger and smaller view of an image. Okay, so you can increase your image size and decrease your image size. You can also make your image larger or smaller. Click view tab, click zoom in from the zoom group to see the image in a larger view. Okay, so go to view tab. Beside the home tab you have the view tab. There is three options, zoom in and zoom out and 100%. So if you just want to make your picture larger, just click on that zoom in option and it will show you the larger view of your image. Okay, now click on that zoom out, that means it will decrease the size of your image or it will provide you the smaller size, smaller view of your image. So just click the go to view tab, click on zoom out from zoom group. You can see your image size will be decreased. The smaller view of your image you can see. So to see the image in actual size, click view tab and click 100% from zoom group. Okay, so if you just want to it back in previous, so just click on 100%, it will be back in previous form, in previous size, the actual size of your image. Okay, so this is the 100% view of your image. So you can also use zoom in to increase or larger view of your image, or you can also use zoom out from uh, zoom tab, zoom group from view tab to make a decrease decrease the size of your image or smaller view of your image. Okay, so this is zoom in and zoom out and 100% view. Next we have saving files in different format in MS Paint. Okay, so that whatever you have drawn in your MS Paint app, that pictures, the snowman, the scenery, the face of the snowman that I have drawn here, we can also save the file with different format. In different format in MS Paint, you can save a file. By default, files in MS Paint are saved in BMP format. BMP format, okay? But we can also save our file in other formats like JPEG, GIF, PNG, etc. by following these steps. Okay, so these are the steps, these are the format of file that we can use. These type of formats are available: JPG format, GIF format, PNG format, or you can also use BMP format. Okay, so these formats are available. You can choose any one of them and using that format you can save your image. So go to home tab, click on the file option or click on save tool from office button. Here is your save tool. Click on that save tool, or you can also use from your keyboard Control S button. Okay, Control S means you can save your image from your keyboard also. So just click on that save button. It will show you the save as type option and a text box, blank text box where you can put a name of your file. Now it is file name written here untitled. You can also remove that and add a new name of your file. And the second one, save as type, that is PNG, is .png is already selected here. From that dot selection, from that save as type option, you can click on that drop down arrow. It will provide you all the available formats are available in MS Paint, that is all the formats available here: .bmp, .bmp, .jpg, .gif, .png. All the formats are available. You can choose any one of them. Just move your mouse where you want to, which save as type you want to select. So I'm going to use PNG format. Just click on that PNG. It will save the type of your formatting, that is .png type. My file will be saved in .png type, and now you can create a file name written here untitled. I am going to use the file name as snowman face. Okay, so I am writing the name snowman face. So this is going to be my file name snowman face. So this file will be saved with the name snowman face, and the file format will be saved as png type, .png type. Okay, so in save as type box, list of formats will be displayed like .png, .gif, .jpeg, etc. Select a format in which you want to save your file from the given list. I have already selected PNG, and just release the mouse button, click on that save button. It will be saved your image with the file name and the file type. Okay, now you can see in the title bar the file name is shown here, snowman face, and if you just click on that file from your desktop, it will show you also the file type, that it will saved as .png file. Okay, so this thing already we have discussed all these things. The cut, copy, paste option, the zoom in and zoom out option, undo and redo button from undo and redo from title bar, or you can also use your mouse point keyboard, that Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y. And the other thing is, for saving your image, you can also use Ctrl S from keyboard, or you can also go to file option and go to save tool to save your file. Okay, so this is our chapter. More on paint. We have already discussed all the thing, that how can you use your save tool to draw an image, and then cut, copy, paste option, zoom in, zoom out option, and also the file type available here, .png type, .jpeg type, .gif type. You can also choose any one of them and just make a file name, create a file name, and just save the file. Okay, so you can easily use this MS Paint app to draw images, to save your image very easily. So this is our chapter. We have already completed our chapter. So go through all the chapter, read the chapter very carefully, practice all the things, try to draw the image that you have in your book, the scenario of the snowman. Just try to draw the image on your own at home and practice all the thing, and read the chapter carefully. Hare Krishna students, thank you.